things first, I appreciate your support. So this is an LG turbo drum, a smart inverter that won't drain water. So if it can't drain, it won't spin. So if it's not spinning, first thing that you need to do is check if it's blocked. So this is the drain area. That is the filter. So you need to check if it's blocked, because if there's an obstruction on the pump, it won't drain water. Now, first thing what I did is I removed this panel here. And this is the pump. It's overheating, so it's not running. I've tried outside with this one, because this is what happens when the pump is engaged. Let me unplug it from power. So communication comes from the motherboard to the drain pump. This is the drain pump, so we're going to test with this. Spin. Yeah, you see now it's spinning. The propeller is moving. So when it's rotating, it pumps water out. So what's happening? This one is not rotating. So let me manually drain the water. So we're going to drain water by a process called siphoning. So I'm emptying the drum. You see there's still water in the drum. This is water. So using siphoning, you're going to remove all the water. So the drum is now empty. So we're now going to open the filter. See, the filter is clean. So there's nothing obstructing the pump. So if the filter is clean, then this is the issue. This is overheating. Remove this pipe. Then we remove this and this. So we remove the 3 screws, this, and that. So we're going to replace this.